Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, we'll show you what's inside this Gucci watch. So this is a $1,000 Gucci watch. It ranges between $1,000 and $1,500 depending on which seller, dealer you get it from. So let's go ahead and take this off. So this is the one with the signature band with their color logo, strap, fabric. Very, very nice watch. And the problem with this is that the battery doesn't last that long. So usually it lasts for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years, depending if you change it often or not, the time that is. So let's go ahead and unstrap this. So unstrapping it fairly easy. You got 2 pins that you can physically remove to quickly change out the strap. So those 2 pins sits between here, and there's a little latch that you push out. So this pin actually sits over the strap just like that, and then inserts in there. So you can physically move this with your fingernail. So once you take this off, there's 2 of those pins. On the back of this Gucci watch, you have 4 flathead screw, which we also just took off. All right, so just to show you the logo in the back here, this is Gucci stainless steel back, Swiss made, water resistant to 20 ATM. So this is a 10-year watch, and when you remove the screw, you have this small rubber seal, protects water from coming in. But surprisingly, there's only 1 of those seal. So typically there's 2, a backup one, but I guess they didn't think they need it. But yeah, very simple watch. You have this gold-looking aluminum housing. The battery is awfully small. That's why it doesn't last that long. But at least they made it very easy to change. Nothing complex here. So I don't think it's worth $1,000. And definitely not $1,500. Very simple watch. Nothing out of the ordinary. You know, it's waterproof, shockproof, but outside of that, the battery doesn't last that long. Wish they use a bigger battery. It is heavy though, definitely full stainless steel. No issues with going underwater. It does have the date on there, second, hour, minute, but definitely not worth it. So if you're interested in this, I wouldn't pay more than a few $100s for a used one if you really like this design. So if you're interested, check it out. Also, we'll post a link where you can find it online. Catch y'all next time. Remember to subscribe.